Hey, everybody. So this is Marion the Barbarian. Welcome to the shave. And we got a good one for you because it is a tribute to my boy Junior. We missed Junior. I almost dropped the tub. So I got some NOS of local Gent. And if y'all don't know, due to shaving, Junior Gonzalez, sweet ass, is a fan of local Gent, even though it's not made anymore. So we are going to be using, I haven't done my shave of the day picture, so hopefully I get it done. Fields and Streams. It's like tobacco, cedar, some other stuff. Pretty good scent. I like it. I don't have the 830 Semogue. I'm using like the 620, 610, 640, some bullshit. But we bloomed. We're going to tub load. Give it a good go. See how local Gent is. I've never tried local Gent. Got my hands on this. Scent's pretty nice. Pretty nice. We'll see. If I don't like it, I may sell it. We'll see. I just don't know. It's okay. The more I'm lathering it, it's coming off like a Hall's cough drop. What do y'all think? Y'all think I loaded enough? Especially if I put the proto lather. I just got out of the shower, so there's no need to wet the face. So right there. And now we're going to rinse the tub. Rinsing the tub. Yeah, just during the rinse tub time. I don't like all the lather sitting on top of the tub. So I do rinse it, turn it upside down, let it dry that way. Quite a few hours. We are dealing with 24 hours plus of growth. Decent proto lather going here. We're gonna face lather the shit. Yeah, it's not mentholated, but there's something about it that reminds me of Hall's cough drops my grandfather used to keep. So, which is probably why I don't feel like it's a bad scent, because it reminds me of my grandfather. Just keep adding some more water. So, I don't like this knot preferably over the Omegas. I've been told that, well, that's because I don't have the 830 and I need to upgrade. But this eats lather more than my Omega does. I think this is a smaller diameter knot as well. I'm not sure, because I don't know much about them. See, we got a little shine, but it's still thick. Still needs water, man. Paint some more in. Paint some more in. And that is some... You know what? This is not a bad soap. I mean, it is... I mean, I know I loaded the shit out of it with the boar brush, but... It is it's taking some liquid, taking some hydration, and that is what we want. So, and I think local Gent did collabs with PAA. That's where you get the clown fruit, because I think it's a PAA scent that used to be a local Gent soap back in the day, or How to Grow a Mustache. I don't know. I wasn't around for that. And I didn't study up because I'm not like some crap clown fruit junkie like some people I know. I was going to test my edge tonight, but I want to do a video and I don't feel like doing it on video. I haven't done a video in a little while. Guys, I still think that's a little pasty. They paint in just a little bit more water. Not try to build too much more of a lather. Just try to paint in some water, especially on the neck. We are using the Weck. The Weck was gifted to me. Chris Maiden sent it along. It is the Army issue, Med Prep, whatever. Weck Never used this one. It is a little heavier on the scales than other stuff I use. Weck wise, that is. CDB did a challenge video. Doesn't necessarily apply to me because I've had a Weck. And if you go and look further in my channel, I've been using a Weck longer. Look at that. Look at that lather, guys. I mean, that's beautiful in my opinion. Sorry there's hair in there for you to see, Joey. But I've been using a Weck longer. It looks menacing, but when I was starting out, beautiful lather, guys. Now, I had some weepers, stuff that is going to open up here. Man, it's blooping well. I hope you see this, Junior. Because this feels like a damn good lather. It's blooping, but it could use some more hydration. It's really a good shave. I hate I got blood over here from existing stuff. My touch feels on point. Kind of, what the fuck? What's the label? It's avocado oil, organic tallow. So it is a tallow. Makes sense. I don't have to worry about Douglas watching, but there's just there's something about a tallow soap. Like, I'm not talking about post or anything, but it's nice. Like, I'm not saying it's top of the line, but local Gent was around, it could hang. Like, if they can produce scents people like, they could hang. Look at all that. Just from the goatee area. Sorry, just enjoying the lathering and a little bit more water. Because even though it was blooping, I'm still getting a lot of residue that did not come easily off the blade. Maybe the lather wasn't fully hydrated. So, there you go. I think I'm going to go up this way again. That's all I really need. Okay. Just being careful. But I really enjoyed the Weck more than a straight razor. Starting out, because the angle, you need a softer touch, obviously, but the angle wasn't as bad or hard to figure out. And I was getting closer shaves early on than what I was with the straight razor. And this is all use case. Technique, beard growth. I need a Dr. Matt cloth. This is slick as shit. Wow. Like, guys, that's seriously slick. There we go. Just a really, oh dude, I did. I felt like I was going to. Little too heavy-handed through there. And generally off camera, guys, I've been shaping up with the Weck. It's just easier to get the lines where I want them. For me. Easier than a safety razor, that is. So we're going to wipe the blade, clean it up a good bit. Go. Pull. I can actually try to take it out. Oh, we will right here on camera. It's just drying it out, but we'll take it out on camera. Pull it. I'll be back with the rinse, guys, and we're probably going to owl them up. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weepers. I won't count these, but we had some weepers. So I will be back after some alum medicated. Dun, 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 and we are back. So we did use some alum. I don't know if it stopped the bleeding. We're going to follow it up with the matching splashing C, breaking the seal for the first time. Fields and Streams. This splash has menthol, alcohol, glycerin, aloe. I think it has alum. Yeah, it has alum, if I didn't mention that. So I didn't even need to apply alum. It was in the aftershave. It's a good bird. That's what I like. Kismet, you shave close, brother. So, yeah. Those, and by the way, that was my first use on that Kismet blade. Kismet's, or the Shiznit. Ooh, is that the tobacco? Man, that's a lot different scent coming through. Guys, I'll probably put, there's like 4 scent notes, and I'll put them at the bottom, somewhere around here and throughout the video maybe. And, whoo. That is nice. And it's got a good burn. That's what we like. And to follow it up, we got the menthol. Feeling a little good. Have a little bit of irritation. So, of course, we're going to use the Suavecito aftershave cream. Menthol, I just took it off the top of the cap. So I'm going to spread it. Put a little water to it. Help it absorb a little bit better. Put it on the skin. I may have done too much. We'll take a little off the hands. Because I did do quite a bit, guys. Little goes a long way. I don't know why I pulled that much off. But, there we go. Get it in there. Man, actually may not sell this scent. The aftershave splash makes it worth keeping around. Yeah, there's something about that splash. It's a, it can't be tobacco, but maybe it is. It's like a chocolatey, I can't put my finger on it. Like I said, scent notes will be up. So guys, we did the Suavecito Menthol Aftershave Cream. There you go. Fields and Streams from local Gent. I'm not going to reach over there with the matching splash. Y'all just saw me put it on. We did use the Weck Army Prep. Thank you, Chris Maiden, with Kismet Blade that is now out and in the medicine cabinet. And we can't forget star of the show, Semogue. So guys, this was all in honor of our boy, Junior, Sweet Ass Gonzalez. So until next time, guys, y'all have a good one.